Hi, good to see you again. I just want to let you know that I plan to run a series of online workshops on Zoom. The first will be on how to set up a communication system with your unconscious mind using ideomotor signals. So what is an ideomotor signal? An ideomotor signal is basically a physiological response that is out of conscious control. So when you have a conversation with someone, you might find yourself nodding your head for a yes or shaking your head for a no from side to side. In most cases, these are not conscious moves. And when you have a conversation with someone, you might notice that a finger moves. You may never have thought about this before, but what this indicates is that something is happening at the level of the unconscious mind. So in this workshop, I will show you how to formally elicit a signal for a yes and a signal for a no. And the easiest way to do this is to ask the unconscious mind to either move a finger or a thumb to indicate a yes signal, and then ask the unconscious mind to move a finger or a thumb to indicate a no signal. And once you have elicited finger signals, then I will show you how to use a hypnosis pendulum. And we ask the unconscious mind to choose from one of four possible ways to move the pendulum, either like clockwise, counterclockwise, up and down, or side to side. And once you have a reliable signal for a yes and a no, then I'll show you how to use a hypnosis map. Now, if you were testing a food item, for example, the response could be that the food item is beneficial. But to what degree is the item beneficial? A little or a lot? So then I'll show you how to calibrate the pendulum to get more precise information on to what degree is the item beneficial, or to what degree is the item a problem for you. And once you've calibrated the pendulum for a yes and a no, and to what degree, then you have an amazingly powerful tool which you can use to communicate with your unconscious mind through the use of questions, statements, and commands. And you can also use your skills in establishing and recognizing ideomotor signals and physiological responses to influence other people to your desired outcome in a conversation, a negotiation, or a debate. Now, if this interests you, then remind me to talk about it in the workshop. If you follow the link below to my website, you get more details on workshop dates and times. You can either make yourself a pendulum or buy one, and you can download the hypnosis map from my website. So please follow the link below my website where you can register for the workshop, and then if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. And looking forward to seeing you at the Ideomotor Signaling workshop.